Hello guys. Today I'm going to try to make an internet system, like a request download system in a Scratch mod called PenguinMod. Theoretically, I could actually make a send and request server in Scratch, but the only data I would actually be sending back is well, maybe I could send data that on the other end, when received, it could draw something using the pen tool. That's a possibility with cloud variables. But here I'm just going to use WebSockets via Cloud Link. So, decode it because I'm using numerical encoding. And then if it contains or requests, if it contains request data, and we're going to have to calculate the length of request data, so let's grab the length. So that's around 13, okay. So, so we're just going to do 14 to length. 14 to length of. Okay, so actually I'm going to set it to. So like this instead. So we're going to do cloud. So we're going to set cloud to this, and if cloud contains request data this to the length of cloud, length of cloud, and we're actually going to store these in a list. So let's make a data. So let's make actually a root. There we go. We successfully have root. So this is going to kind of be our file system, which we're going to basically only have one directory. But we can store zips in here. And how are we going to store data? Via base64 URI. So, for example, if I find a base64 image, if I open this in a new tab, you can see the actual data of the image instead of being stored on a server. It's in the data of the URL. What you're looking at here is the encoded image. Kusmagda Silvavork is just this random guy, whoever this is. Oh yeah, he's holding an image, so it's probably related to whatever this is. But yeah, let's get out of here. Shut up! 30 days! Actually, I want to disable that, but whatever. Just clear all notification settings. Disable. I don't want notifications. For a minute. Okay. So now, length in cloud. There we go. Okay, so it's gonna try to get the item. So item number of actually item this item nothing of root because it's empty. So if this contains data, then it will set cloud to that. Well, remember to do that, okay. And then what it's going to do is item letters 14. Okay, so then it's going to try to pull that from the root. Okay, so then we're going to make a variable called called temp mem. There we go. And I'll actually rename this to cloud store. There we go. And then we're going to set temp mem to item. And we're actually going to flush these at the beginning. So set cloud store to no and no. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so temp mem here is going to be our data. So for example, if we add a thing called test data, test sat to root, and then we say set temp to one of root, this is going to be stored in our data. So that's basically what we're going to use instead of having to constantly pull from that index. So now we just have this variable. We can remove that. And then it will determine the length of it. And then we'll set temp mem length. Temp mem length. So then set temp mem length. Okay. And then if we grab which should be divided by. Okay, so let's see, we're going to do slash here. So let's see how many times this can be divided. So let's take temp mem, actually the length of temp mem, and we're going to try to increasingly divide it. Okay, so repeat until division max. Repeat until division max equal. Okay, so repeat until division max contains a dot. So it's false. Okay, so divide temp length by, okay, let's do division value. So divided by division value, and we're gonna make division value change by, okay, so division value max. Okay, so set division max to 0 and division value to 0. It's going to constantly change it by 1. So it's going to stop until it has a point, and it's going to look back on a previous variable, I guess division max. Division max earlier. Maybe we'll get a separate variable that then sets division max to that, but we'll see. So then, temp mem length. It's going to set division value. Okay, so set division max to the... Actually, wait. Yeah, okay, so then... This is a bit complicated. Okay, so set division max to division value. And then we grab if so then we okay. So if division max does not okay, so if division max where is okay. If division max does not contain an A, does not contain a period, decimal, then set division max use. Set division max use to division max. There we go. This is a bit of a large. So I think I'll just put this under my block. So let's make a block. What? Why is it all the way down here? Block name is gonna be calc byte sequence. There we go. And now it's gonna do calc byte sequence. Let's set it to blue. Okay, so define calc byte sequence. Okay, then it's gonna wait. Where's the wait until? Shoot. Okay, wait until. Wait until division max finish calc. We don't need my variable. Goodbye. Okay, wait until division max calc finish. And then set it to 0. For runs calc byte sequence. And set it over to 1 because it's finished. And just in case something happens, we'll make sure it sets it to 0. So it's gonna wait for it to finish up. And then when it says done, it's gonna send to the client. So let's say send length data length. Okay, let's just do join. So actually we have to encode it in numericals first. So send encode. And then here, let's grab a join. I'll say length actually byte seq, and it's gonna do colon, and then it's gonna do the division max use. So actually, let's see what we can do here with this. Wait. Change division, change by value, set this temp mem length. Wait, did we even set temp mem length? Length of temp mem. We didn't set temp mem. Like, set temp mem to this? No. No, yeah. Set temp mem length to length of temp mem. And calc byte sequence. Is change to y1. I'll repeat until division max gets a point. But if we look here in division max, it's not being set. Set division max. Divide temp mem length. Wait. Hold up. Wait, yeah. What? Divided by division value. It's not showing anything. Is the variable working? The variable's working. Is it pulling? Oh! Because there's nothing in temp mem. We gotta set something in temp mem. Okay. Well, that was easy just to say that. Okay, so we'll just do this for now, but then we have to set temp mem. Wait, no! Wait! Oh, we have to set something in Cloud Store. Set temp mem to... Yeah. Oh, we just have to remove this. Oh my god, I'm actually so dumb. So the script did work the entire time. Okay, so yeah, temp mem is now that. Am I really that much of an idiot? Set division max to this. Did we forget to set it to 0? Oh no. Did that just say nan? Okay, let's make it slower. So you can see what's going on here. It says divide by 1. Oh shoot, no. Temp mem length. Oh, I didn't even set temp mem length. Am I really that much of an idiot? Set temp mem length. Okay. Infinity? What is the division value? What do you mean infinity? divided by 2. 4.5. Huh. Okay. So what? Oh my god. Division max isn't. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Division max used. Great, we got division max used to output something. Genuinely thought I was going to be a complete idiot and fail that. Hey, by the way, I'm in a hotel and I'm in Hershey Park. Well, this is technically the Hampton Hotel, but pretty nice view outside. The only thing I can receive with a radio here is no weather, which is actually overloading my radio. This little dongle here, it's just giving me weather information, so. But it's for like areas other than here. Apparently, there's a no weather antenna transmitter somewhere here in Pennsylvania, but whatever. We're talking about these. So we can scrap Division Max. We don't need Division Max anymore because Division Max is just stupid. And then, because we need to like have it repeat a certain amount of times. What Division Max used. No, wait. We have to set it to division value. Division value. Wait, can I calculate something properly now? Set division. What is division value now? Division value is now 0. Why is division value 0? Hello? Is it really 0? Wait, is the length of Heseda 9? I did it once. Why does it say? Is it setting it to 0? Division max used to 9. Wait, then what's setting division max? Wait, hold on. Set division max to 0. It still says division max is 4.5. That's not right. So division max uses 1. Okay, so divide by 1. Great, I finally got it to output a value. And I forgot I have to set it to 0 every single time. Hooray! Right there. Okay, great. Well, I got it to work. Max uses 1. Okay. So then I set it to max use cal. Okay, so max use. Oh my god. Okay. Done. First part of this done. Okay. Now what needs to happen here is it will if it got new global data. Okay, no. So we're just gonna have to wait. Wait 1 second. Okay, repeat until Actually, no, we have to do a wait until. Wait until global data equals OK BS. Here we go. And then, okay, it will repeat until Wait. Let me think about this. This is crazy. Division value. Okay, so repeat. No, we have to do repeat we have to do repeat a set amount of times. Okay. Division value. Okay, so no. Repeat division max use. There we go. Which is going to be 1. So repeat it once. And just to make sure the client gets the data, wait until it equals equals OK byte sequence. So we got it. And there we go. Now it's going to repeat until the client sends back OK got. So repeat until client sends. So repeat until global data decode equals OK got. There we go. Wait. The cloud store thing is supposed to be up here. Yeah. Huh. Okay, send. We're about to finish the sending part. Encode. Send encode global. No, we're not supposed to do that. Send. So what was it equally divided by? So the length of it is 9. So 9, 9. Okay, so then we have to do letters 1 from letters 1. Okay, just gibber, okay, whatever. Let's just set it to some random name now. To gibber, and then it's gonna change gibber by 2 every time. Actually, change it by 1. So yeah, set gibber by 1. Wait. Change gibber by 2. Wait, but then we have to set gibber. So set gibber to length of what was it? Division. Well, then we have to do wait, so we have to rely on that other script. So it also has to calculate the number 9. And then set gibber use. So set gibber use to division max. Okay. So let's calculate that. And that gives us a 9. So yeah, now we have to set it to 9. Gibber use to 9. Or whatever this is. And change it. Anyway. By actually wait. Set gibber we need a separate variable. Sag. Oh no. Okay, we have to change sag by 1. Wow, this is getting more complicated. Letters. Okay, so then we do times. So I could just do this in one equation. You don't need to. So it's algebra use. To cross. I'm sorry, guys, that this. This is so boring. Uh. Algebra use in 10th mem. What is the length of 10th mem? Said 10th mem. 10th mem. Okay, so then we have to set sag. Set. Set uga to 1. Actually, I think I'm getting a hold of this. Set uga to 1. And change sag ua. Sag. Said sag ua. To 10 mem length times 2. Yay. Okay, so we need 10 mem length. Or is it times 2? But then why am I gonna use sag ua? A sag ua is supposed to be this. I need. Hmm. So I go to this time seg. What's 10 men length times seg? But shouldn't this be times 2? Because if 10 men length is... What is this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What is 10 men? Is 10 men 0? Set 10 men to test data. T. You know what? How about I do it the really dumb way and just send it one byte at a time? Or like one piece of data at a time. You know what? Maybe I will. Did all that for nothing. Just to end up with an extremely slow transfer rate. I don't want to send in code. No, we don't need you. We don't need you. Let's just scrap like half of the code. There's gonna be some like variables in here that have no reason to exist. Okay. 10 men length. So repeat. Okay, so repeat 10 men length. Okay, and it's gonna send. So send in code as numbers 10 men length. And it's gonna wait until actually, we can copy this. Repeat 10 men length. Oh. Oh my god. That is a whole lot. Okay, repeat 10 men length. Okay, got. Okay, wait until okay got underscore length underscore dat. There we go. And then send. Okay, so we're just gonna change. Change. We don't even need like half of these variables, so these are just gonna be like sent to the variable dump. So change by 1. And it's going to send letter U of PenguinMod. Okay, dat. Okay, got that. And there we go. Realize it says, okay, got that. It looks like that. Whatever. Why do I keep clapping? I have an addiction to clapping. Should I go on my strange addiction to clapping? Okay. Wait until I think there's only one block left. Set U to 0. And then send finish. Finish data send. Finish data send. Okay, and then we just put a forever block on this. Also, yeah, set temp to null. There we go. Yes. Really? That is a really big, like, piece of code. I would have. How long is this recording then? Okay, this is just gonna have to be uploaded as one clip, and then okay, I'm gonna edit it right here. Bye, guys.